after that night, we put on our emotional sheets. Now, when some time has passed, I think it's time to break the seas. Let's relax a bit. Let's face our problems of today. Let's admit that it's not